How to add testimonials to the Shopify Dawn theme. Well, to do this, we have to go up here to the search bar and we're going to type in testimonials. And now we want to navigate to the Shopify App Store. Once we click on that, it will open it in a new tab. And the app you want to look for is this one, Reputon Testimonial Slider. It has a very good rating, as you can see, and it's also built for Shopify. So that's the one you want to go for. And I'm just going to click on that. And I have it already installed in my Shopify store. That's why it says open app. But for you, it will say install. So you just click on that one. And it will take you to this page here. And it will maybe ask you to install further things. And then you should come up to this one. Here you can add testimonial contents from your actual clients. You can also collect the testimonials from here. You have a QR code. You can add the business logo and so on. And once you customize your testimonial slider, it should look something like this. We go to the demo store here. So if you slide down, as you can see, it can look something like that if you wanted to. Here it has the stars and all the what the client says about the store, their occupation, your name, and so on. And you can just slide through them. And that's how you add testimonials to the Shopify Dawn theme. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.